Hi, it's Newbie Trader again. My second video of the night. I'll put this one in before I go to sleep. I want to look at CGM software, and I want it to identify me games where there's going to be a goal in the last 15 minutes. So I'm going to go to upcoming games. So hit upcoming in the main menu, and then that gives me all my games for today. I just sorry I should have took that out. Okay, so I need to look at all the games in today. Okay, so which games are going to give me a goal in the last 15? So as you can see, there is 168 games identified in today. Let's click refresh on that. Okay, so how am I going to do it? Well, I'm going to go to the right hand side. I'm going to make sure these are ticked. So that's your home, and that's the away in blue. I'm going to go overs, so obviously you got the O here, and then I'm going to go to 0.5 because I only want one goal in the last 15. Okay, so score it again. So obviously on the upcoming screen, I've made sure that the home games and the away games are selected by checking the boxes, and then I want to go over 0.5. Okay, and then you drop down. Okay, so how do I want it? Do I want it in the current season? Do I want the last 8 games only? So that's up to you. I'm going to go current season, so I want to see how many games it has been this season where I have had a goal over 0.5. And I want to look at the last 15 minutes. So obviously I've got this pre-selected already, so that's 75 and 90. Just use the arrows down here to change that. Once I've got that in place, I can then refresh and just make sure I'm calculating all the columns by ticking that one. That's what it looks like normally. Just tick it, and there you go. Okay, so that's given me 2 columns. So it's given me the home column, it's given me the away column. So what does this tell me? Well, at the moment I'm saying that after 14 games, I've gone down 14 because that's got a fair sample of games. Rosario Central and Instituto, I've got that right, with around 40%. So Rosario Central scored 40%, and of their games have had a goal in the last 15 minutes, and 42, nearly 43% of Instituto their goal in the last 15 minutes. Okay, Torino's even worse, they're only 6 and 31, etc. Okay, so what I find handy is if I could get rid of that second column and have all my percentages in the one column, so it combines both teams. Well, how do I do it? Well, basically I come down here, so I've got me show my custom columns, and I define my custom columns, and that is preset from previously. So all I need to do is, what I want to do is I want to take the home team 1, which is this one here, away team 1, which is this one here. I want to combine them, so add them together, and then I will divide it by 2 so I get the average. Okay, and once I've got that little figure in there, I can just calculate it. Boom, boom, boom. And then I have my figures. So here we go. So this game combines 37%. And just make sure you scroll up. Right, okay, so there's all my figures. Right, okay. I want them all. I want them now. All I want to do is what's my figure? 70%, would you say? You can see I've done this slightly before, so you can see some of them already highlighted out. And as you can see now, custom 2, the home 2 is now gone, and I've only got the one column left. So what I need to do now is I need to make sure I only got the games that are over 70%, because that's the total I just picked out. So you come down to the right hand side here, click on this one. So you got my custom 1 and 2. It may be custom depending on how old your CGM Bets is, but at the moment on the newer version it should be custom 1, 2, and you got your 3, 4. Make sure custom 1's highlighted, so this is your custom 1 line here, custom 2, custom 3, custom 4. Make sure that's highlighted. Okay, now to only see the games that I've highlighted, if I click on filters and I click on number 1 here, that then puts me with the games that are over 70% chance of both teams scoring in the last 15 minutes. just be wary, because look at the games they played. I know these have played 3 games so far, and they'll probably play 1 or 2 at home. Let's look at Frederick start for start. Yeah, they played. Let's go home and away. They played 2 games at home, and as I said, both games they've scored a goal in the last 15 minutes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Looking here, one of theirs has gone. They've only played 1, and that's again gone for a goal in the last 15 minutes. So it's limited games choice, but they are capable, and obviously not capable of scoring in the last 15 minutes. So that might be worth looking at as the match progresses on. And that's it. That's your goals. So that's how to get games where you're looking for goals in the last 15 minutes of games. This complements the video I've just done, which is showing for games and for goals in the first half. And I hope you enjoyed them. But for now, ta-ra.